Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Zachary, and welcome to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. And today's episode, we're going to change out the cabin air filter on the 2014 Town and Country. So stay tuned. Hey, welcome back, everyone. As I said, we're switching out the cabin air filter on the Town and Country today. Now, this isn't just for the 2014 model. You can also use it all the way from the 2010, 2011 time frame to the 2014. They're all going to be in the same location. It's going to be the same process that you do for any of the years to actually get it taken out. So let's go ahead and knock it out real quick, jump in there and get us some better air in our cabin. All right, so here we are on the passenger side of the vehicle. You are going to come to the glove box, open it up, and never mind, hold on just a second. Now let's try that again. Yeah, that's much better. Minus the dirt. Who cares about the dirt? Alright, so quick thing real quick, guys. If you don't know anything about your cabin air filter, the cabin air filter is actually in the dash, okay? The air that comes into the vehicle from the hood is going to pass through the dash and come through this filter before it gets to you. So the dirtier this air filter is, the worse your air is that you're breathing in your vehicle. So you need to switch this thing out. I know once you see mine, you're gonna be like, what an hypocrite, this guy. No. I'm messing with you guys, seriously, but no. Alright, let's go ahead and pop this thing off, alright? Alright, so right here is your little pin, okay? You are going to, look at that, it's your little cord right there. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna set this camera up real quick. Hold on, let me get you guys all set. Oh, look at that. Front row view for you. Alright. Let's go ahead and get in here. There we go. Alright, all you want to do, grab it from both sides, okay? From both sides, pinch it, and bring it towards you. And then you're going to push it to the left. That way it comes out, okay? Then bring these two sides in, and your whole glove box is going to come out, just like that, okay? Let me adjust you a little bit more. Get rid of my napkins right here. As I said, I have 6 children, and you just can't have enough napkins, guys. You just can't. All right, hold on. My dogs want to say hi. Hello, hello, dogs. All right, you see right there, guys? There you go. That's your cabin air filter. This tab is gonna move out. Oh no! Oh my goodness. As I said, you guys are gonna be like, oh, what a freaking hypocrite. That's terrible. That's all right. I'm going to blame this one on my wife. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so on this this tab right here, guys, it's not push out, it's push in. Okay, once you push in, it will unlock itself and you'll be able to get your cabin air filter out. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's bad, guys. Oh, that's so nasty. No, I'm not gonna throw up. That's terrible. All right, let's clear all this other stuff out. Man, that's bad. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. right, and if you actually put your hand in there, you can feel your blower motor from the bottom of there. All right, so hold on just a second. Let me grab our new one. Here's our new one right here. I got this one from Advanced Auto, which I was surprised that Advanced Auto is now selling CarQuest. I was kind of surprised there. Here, sorry about that, guys. I gotta open the box. Guess I should have. Oh no! Oh. I don't know of like one video where I do not drop the camera. I'm not good with holding on to the camera. Alright, let's see here. So your new one's got foam on it. Other one came out like that, so our new one's gonna go in like that. It usually has, there we go. The arrow right there is airflow. So your airflow is coming in from the top, going to the bottom. So that's what we're going to do as well. 1 second. All right, then go ahead and throw your new air filter in, just like the old one was taken out. Guys, also, if you're looking for where can you find these parts, I'm going to throw the links in the video description down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video and it helped you in changing out your cabin air filter, please hit subscribe at the bottom right hand side of the screen. Make sure you like the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section down below. Okay, I would love to answer any of the questions that you guys have. All right, let me go ahead and throw this cord back on. We're gonna jump right in here, guys. Oh, made you too tall there. There we go. You see the cord we got? Of course, you're gonna try to tip over on me. All right, you guys see the cord? Of course, now mine wants to be tangled up. That's cool. There we go. Slide that over like that. There we go. Hold on, guys. Let me get this thing up here. There we go. Alright, slide that over. And then you're just going to bring it on the right there without breaking it. Just a second. I was told by someone else they were quoted like $60 to have the dealership or whoever put this back in for them. You see that, guys? Alright, there you go. Your glove box is back in, mainly. Remember to fold these tabs up on the side. That way your glove box is all the way set in there. I guess I should have done that before I did the string, but it's okay. There we go. And there we go. It's back in. I can load all my great stuff back in my glove box. So remember, guys, if this video helped you in changing out your cabin air filter, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I put new videos on the channel every week. I try to do multiple videos. Sometimes some of the projects will not allow me to do that. So thank you again. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, guys, keep on wrenching. Take care.